The blade block is a precision carving tool that utilizes a customized steel blade to finish auto body repairs and restorations when body filler is used. The blade block cuts aggressively to level and smooth filled surfaces for painting far more efficiently than sandpaper. When following proper procedures presented in this video and the printed material from blade block, this tool will increase productivity and reduce overall labor costs. Hi, I'm Sandy Gibbons, and I'm going to show you how to use this revolutionary product. The blade block is designed to provide the equivalent of 3 different grits to smooth most auto body fillers, all in one useful tool. Today we'll start with the fast cut position, which produces the equivalent to 40 grit sandpaper, then the 80 grit and 120 grit hand positions, which produce progressively smoother finishes. Let me show you how the blade block works. Position fingers on either side of the blade block point. Apply gentle pressure to the center of the blade block. Not a lot of force is needed. The fast cut levels the surface quickly by shaving it down evenly. Notice the linear motion parallel to the auto body lines. Keep the pressure light and consistent using a linear motion and do not crisscross strokes. Move the block over the entire area using small overlapping strokes. Next, the blade block at the 80 position will further smooth the surface, producing a similar result to 80 grit sandpaper. Hold the blade block like this. Note how the fingers are placed around the 80 on the blade block. Utilize the same light, consistent pressure and linear stroke, not crossing the strokes. Notice the finer shavings produced by the 80 position versus the fast cut position. The final step produces a similar result to the 120 grit sandpaper. Hold the blade block with the fingers placed around the 120 mark on the blade block. Utilize the same linear stroke. Careful not to cross the strokes. The 120 position produces the smoothest result and a fine dust. Notice the gray spots in the reworked area. These are low spots in your body filler and should be refilled and resanded. Any pinholes in your surface should also be refilled and resanded. Before adding paint, we recommend that you sand down the edges with 80 grit sandpaper and touch up with 180 grit sandpaper. Then prime it, paint it, and have a product you can be proud of. Okay, so let's review. Hold the blade block with light pressure and fingers placed around the positions demonstrated in this video to achieve desired results. It may take a few times to perfect the use of the blade block versus sandpaper, but you will achieve the same result with much less effort, time, and sandpaper. Please review the instructions that come with the blade block and review this video as necessary to learn the proper technique for filler preparation. With the blade block professional carving tool, you'll be able to produce a smooth, level surface with less energy and time, increasing productivity and reducing labor and materials costs.